Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a inter-season body cream between summer and autumn for a person with a very dry skin with itching due to a medical treatment and which often works outdoors whatever the weather, based on Shea, Calendula, Sweet Almond and Soy Lanolin. I already put in a bowl water and in a second one emulsifier, shea butter, sweet almond oil and almond milk powder ready to go to the bain-marie. Once my preparation is melted, I'm gonna to mix my water with the rest and let cool a little bit before adding calendula oil macerates, soy lanolin and urea. I'll mix again and add the preservative and fragrance oil when my mixture is almost cold. I'll mix one last time, then pour into my pot. My friend wanted something that protect his skin before going to work, but it's not replace sunscreen. And repair its skin when he gets home and took a shower. So I bet on the Emulsifier Glyceryl stearate SC, I'm sorry, who gives cocooning a light texture that penetrates quickly. I choose to use butter, shea and 2 oils, calendula and sweet almond with multiple properties: regenerating, calming, soothing, nourishing, revitalizing, softening, emollient, fortifying and restorative. Also known to protect the skin from the appearance of signs of skin aging and sunburn. This cream gave me a hard time. He went out of phase several times, but nothing to worry about it. In the end, it was just too hot. Completely cooled, he is thickening quickly, and I know now that he pleased a lot. Second pot was sent back in the meantime for the end of autumn and beginning of the cold winter. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.